In this lesson, you will learn how to use the custom built report URL for your testing frameworks. So let's go into the pipelines module. When you have integrated your testing frameworks as testing pipelines in ALM Octane, you will see here a summary of the test results. And if you want to analyze further, you can select the pipeline and Octane will show you some reports you have defined in the Overview tab. If you click on Test, you can additionally see what are the test cases which were passed, failed, and so on. If you want to further deep dive on the failed test cases, you can select the failed test cases, and Octane will show you an error message with all the details which you can even further extend to get additional information, and it will show you all the information which were received from Jenkins. But sometimes you would like to integrate here a custom report which you have prepared as part of your testing framework, and you would like to allow the user to directly access it from Octane. In such case, we provide you here in the views of the pipeline under topology. You can basically, let me select this as a test. You can go to the configuration of the job, and in the configuration you can see here custom build report, where you can provide a URL of a reporting which is maybe on Jenkins or any other wiki page you may have. You can parameterize it with these two Jenkins parameter, job name and build name. So it's very useful if you generate on Jenkins. There are different plugins, and you generate based on the plugins per build number a specific report which summarize your test progress and so on. You can basically link those directly on the pipeline. So let me give you a quick example. So for instance, here on this testing framework job in Jenkins, I've installed a test results analyzer, which basically summarizes for me the JUnit result in a more friendly way as the test results out of the box solution of JUnit in Jenkins. So it shows me here some graphs summarizing the test execution result by the build execution. In another example, I may have additional information like, let me go to this one. And here you can see the different build numbers which are summarized on the top, and shows you exactly when a test case was executed, when it was skipped or not executed, and generates these kind of reports for you. And basically, if you would like to link these kind of pages directly in ALM Octane, you can use the custom build report. So let me select the correct one, which is a testing framework. You can basically copy the URL, and you can see also here, this is just on the job level, so it has no parameterized value. So I can basically use this one-to-one and copy it here in the URL section. Otherwise, let's say if here you would have the build number as well as part of, so you could use probably the parameter build underscore number, or even the job name which we have here actually. So I can use this one here. So the job name we have, and the rest I can delete. So here this is now parameterized, and whenever I execute a test, it will redirect me. It will create a custom build report link on my test execution, and when I click on it, it will redirect me to that page. So I have now entered this. Let me quickly execute and show you. The execution is about to finish. Now it finished. So I can see here the test cases are executed. Let me quickly get this up. So here I can see the test cases are executed, and here I can also find the custom build report, which redirects me here directly to the test results analyzer report in Jenkins, And this shows me the execution by build number. So I can see now all the 5 test cases have been passed. And here, this is the overall summary of my custom report. So this is a very easy and nice way to integrate your testing reports in ALM Octane.